Hey everyone, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to show you the easiest way to enter safe mode on Windows 11 so you can actually troubleshoot your PC without any extra stress. So to get started, simply press Windows plus I at the same time. This is then going to open the settings. From there, you can then go to System, then Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, simply click Restart Now. So after your PC reboots, you then have to choose Troubleshoot. From there, you then have to select Startup Settings. Next, simply choose Restart. And you then have to press 4 for safe mode or 5 for safe mode with networking. So another quick way you can also do this is by simply pressing Shift plus Restart at the same time. Or you can also hold Shift, then click Restart. So from there, you then have to follow the same troubleshoot, then advanced options path. So after this, your Windows 11 device will then boot into safe mode, and it will then be ready for troubleshooting. So that's it. It's really that easy. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.